To them, we are a hindrance, an obstruction to the path of their personal ambition, an enemy they must eliminate to clear their way. The attacks are cowardly, yet openly disingenuous and arrogant, absence of basic human decency and respect for the rule of law, typical of people drunk in power. Pero nananatili tayong nakatayo dahil ang ipinaglalaban natin ay tama at totoo. We remain strong, steadfast, and grounded in truth, integrity, and faith in the hand of God that will move in ways we cannot comprehend at this point.